How to create a sign-up form on Mailchimp. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a sign-up form on Mailchimp. Now to begin with, first we're going to have to go to mailchimp.com. And then you're going to sign up and create an account. But if you already have an account, you can simply click on login, then enter your user information. Now after signing up or signing in, you're going to see this dashboard over here. Now, when you look at the left, you can see that we have multiple options, such as campaigns, audience, automations, analytics, websites, contents, integration, help, and the search button. What we're going to click on is under the audience. And then as you can see here, we have multiple options such as audience dashboard, all contacts, sign up forms, tags, segments, survey, and inbox. What we're going to click on is the sign up form. Now under the audience, we have an overview of what we are able to access, such as form builder, embedded forms, subscription pop-ups, contact forms, form integrations. You can also manage your contacts over here, and then or you can add contacts from here. We also have different settings for audience name and default, publicity settings, audience fields, and many more. Now what we're going to click on is the form builder. We're simply going to click on select, and this will now redirect us to our form builder. As you can see here, we have a lot of options such as text, number, video, checkbox. We have field settings. We have design it. We can translate it if you want. We also have a URL over here, forms and response email. When you click this, you can change what you're editing to sign up form with alerts, with CAPTCHA confirmation, confirmation thank you page, and a lot more. We can change what we're editing by simply clicking on this and then clicking on the option that you want to edit. Now over here we have a checkbox that says let subscribers pick email format, plain or HTML. This means that when people are signing up for your list, you can let them specify which email format they prefer. If they chose plain text, they won't receive your fancy HTML version. Now over here we have the sign up form URL. We're going to open this on a new tab. And as you can see, this is our sign up form right now. What we're going to do is we're going to edit this and then add any components that we want. You can also delete components and change the different wordings over here. Now we're going to go back here. We're going to scroll down. As you can see, we have our title. We can add a message over here. We have our email address, first name, last name, and then the address, phone number, and birthday. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hover over the Coffee World's message. As you can see here, there's three options. We have edit, remove, or use image. When you click on edit, we will be able to edit the content of that specific block. Like, as you can see here right now, we can change this Coffee World into Hello World. And when we click save and close, this will change the message that we have over here. You could also edit it even more by making it bold or italicized. We could make it underlined or change the text color. We're going to change it to color red. And as you can see, it's color red over here. We can change the font of the text to whatever we want. As you can see, it's changing. We're going to use, right for now, we're going to use Times New Roman. We can change the size. We can increase it. We can increase the size and change it. We can make it bigger. We could also insert or remove numbering list. We could make it bullet. We could change it into a link. We could also add an image if we want to by clicking that. And then we can add our files over here. I'm going to try adding a picture. As you can see, we are currently uploading a photo. And then we are going to be seeing this page. We can change the width and height of the photo. We can keep the proportions. We can also make it a link to a different URL. And then we have this option that if we enable it, when the person clicks on the image, they will be redirected to another tab instead of opening the link on the same tab. So we're gonna disable that for now. There's also show image style options where we can add borders, we can change the align, we could add alt text if images are disabled, we could add a margin. Now what we're gonna do is save and insert image. As you can see, the image is inserted in this section over here. We're gonna click on save and close. As you can see, the image has been uploaded, and then when we go over here, hit refresh, we can now see the image up here. It's a bit big for our form, so we're gonna delete it for now. But to delete it, we can simply click on remove, and then it's gonna remove it from our form. We can also edit the specific parts of our form by simply hold clicking this, and then we can drag it, and then we can move its location. We can rearrange our questions over here. We could also change the content of the question. We could also change the question by double clicking it, and then we're gonna see on the right side, we can change it into middle name. We could also change the field tag, change the visibility. We can add a help text or a tag value. We could also replicate it or delete it. We're gonna save the field. As you can see, the question has been changed. We could also add a message over here to help guide the people on what to do, such as, for example, we're gonna add, make sure that all items are accurate to avoid issues in the future. We're then gonna click on save and close. And as you can see, the message has been added here. We can see it on our example over here by simply refreshing it. Then we can see our message has been added. We can add more fields into our sign up page by simply looking at the add field. We can add text, we could add a number, we could add video buttons, check boxes, drop down, rate, birthday, addresses, the zip code, phone, website, and image. Through here, you can edit your sign up page and add as much as you want, and you can simply check the progress over here to make sure that there is no issues with your forms. And that's it, guys. That's how you make a sign up page in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching.